Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can hard reset your Oppo phone if you have forgotten the password, PIN or pattern. So let's start. As you can see, I have forgotten my password, but first you need to power off your mobile. Then you will hear a little vibration. That means your mobile is now power off. After doing the power off, you need to press this power button and volume down button together. Hold it for few seconds. This menu will appear. If you want to navigate up and down, use volume down button for down movement and volume up button for up movement. To select, use the power button. Now, here you will see format data. Select it and here it will see enter the verification code. Our verification code is 8555. Now let's enter it. 8555. Now this option will appear. Tap on format. It will take few minutes, so don't worry. Now this option will appear. Tap on OK. It will take few minutes to reset completely. Now this menu will appear. Simply tap on this blue icon. Now from here select your native language. Now tap on next. From here select your region. Then tap on next. Then tap on continue. Now this option will appear. I will advise you to skip it. Now connect your phone with Wi-Fi. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, tap on next and your mobile will be now perfect to use again. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe and I will meet you in next video.